You want to learn how to make Guinness barbecue wings? This is a step-by-step recipe for you. Watch to the end. Here, we have 30 pieces of chicken wings, just washing it with lime. Now I'm going to season the wings them. 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon ginger powder, 2 tablespoons all-purpose seasoning, 2 tablespoons blend green seasoning, 1 tablespoon garlic paste. Now I'm going to put the wings them on this sheet rack. Some of the oven preheated at 375 degrees. I'm going to put the wings inside for 50 minutes. Now I'm going to make the Guinness barbecue glaze. 2 tablespoons butter. Now 2 tablespoons brown sugar. 3 tablespoons ketchup. Now I'm going to add half cup barbecue sauce. I'm going to add 1 cup Guinness. 1 pinch of black pepper. Now I'm going to allow the Guinness barbecue glaze to boil for 8 minutes. So it is already 45 minutes since the wings them in the oven. We're going to take them out, glaze them with the sauce and put them back inside for 5 minutes. So here I have it, my people. Guinness barbecue wings. Look at this. Go for a bite. Nice and tasty.